Hey,
Hi.
stop watching TV.
Here. It's me, Wyatt.
Thomas! Hey. Thomas!
Welcome to Storybook Village.
Thomas!
Hey, guess what?
Watching
My very
TV.
first tooth fell out.
Let's see what he's watching. Sipawai.
My mom just got home. Let's go to my house so I can tell her about my tooth. Come on.
Thomas.
Hi, Red. In a hurry. My first tooth fell out. Cool. See ya. Mom! Guess what? My tooth. My very first baby tooth fell out. That's wonderful, sweetie. Oh. Now that your baby tooth fell out, a grown-up tooth will grow in its place. And the tooth fairy will come tonight. The tooth fairy? Oh, yes. After your tooth falls out, you put it under your pillow at